Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV MATHSHUB. In our today's session, I will be taking you through UNEB 2025 Subsidiary Mathematics. This is the paper that has just been done by the Senior 6 students. And without wasting time, we shall look at the details of this paper. So basically, we shall begin with Section A. And Section A is taking only 40 marks. So there are 8 compulsory questions. So these were the questions we have from question number 1 up to question number 4. Please feel free to pause the video so you can be able to get the question very well. So in case of any challenges, any questions that you feel is giving you hard time, please don't forget to put it in the comment section so I can easily help you with the solution. So we have question 1, 2, 3, and 4. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing is completely free of charge. Simply hitting the subscribe button and you will always get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let us look at question number 5. So this is our question number 5. And we got question number 6 and question number 7. Next we have the last question in section A, which is question number 8. Then section B has got 2 parts. That is part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is about pure mathematics and part 2 about statistics. You are supposed to answer 4 questions from this section, that is section B, but with at least 1 question from each part. So let us look at the part 1 of pure mathematics, having questions 9. So we have question 9 here. Then we have question 10, still in pure mathematics, part 1 of section B, and we have question number 11. So let us go on to the last question in part 1 of pure mathematics, that is question number 12, and that brings us to part 2, which is statistics. Then we go to question number 13. So this is question number 13. Feel free to pause the video so you can copy the question very well and make sure you practice. For those that are in senior 5, heading to senior 6, please make sure you practice some of these things. And then we have question number 14. Then we have question number 15. And the last question in part 2 is question number 16. So we have question number 16 as that. And basically, that's all about submass for 2025. I would like to know which questions are you finding difficult, which questions are you finding very easy. Put them in the comment section. So this is all about submass for 2025. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to our friends such that they can as well benefit from this same video. So that's all for today, and I wish you all the best. We meet in our next video.
Yeah.